What are you doing, Bennett? Putting money in your bank? Can you give the piggy bank a kiss? Yeah, give Piggy a kiss. Oh. Yep, taking it out. 2, 3, 4. Close it up. Hooray! Put the money in there, yep. One at a time. No, those are cookies, honey, not coins. Those don't go in the bank. Do, do, do. Is that your dance? Hooray! Can you give Piggy a kiss? Ooh.
Give Piggy a kiss. Put that coin in and we'll give him a kiss. Doesn't want to go to the last one.
Yeah, he doesn't like to let go of the last coin.
Or golf ball or anything.
Oh, you're tricking it! That's the money dance. Oh, you tricking it! Bennett, look! Oh!
Excuse me.
Kissy? Good kissy?
Oh, I'm a piggy bank. Oink, oink.
Achoo!
Oh, I'm a piggy bank. Oink, oink. One.
There you go. Yeah, open it up. You can get them out. Bennett, remember you can just open it up. Yep, open it up.
Open.
There you go. Hooray! What a great bank for you. Say thank you, Grandpa and Grandma. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
3.
Thank you. Bennett loves his new bank.